Hello everybody, welcome to Quarantine Cooking Part 2. We are making a 6-ingredient lentil salad. Lentils are really great to have at this time of the year with all that's going on, with all that's not going on. It's always a great thing. Lots of protein, really delicious. And you can sort of mix it with everything, make it into a salad, and you can even use red lentils to make soups. So I have about 1 cup of lentils, which I'm going to go ahead and throw on the heat there. Let them boil in water for about 15 and 20 minutes. Have a tomato, green onions, cilantro, arugula, and the cucumber that I already started chopping up because clearly I'm way too hungry to wait. I'm going to go ahead and season it with some lemon, some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and it's going to be so good. I already went ahead and sliced up the cucumber. I sliced then diced, sliced and diced. And I'm gonna go ahead and set those aside and get everything else all ready. They are boiling here. I'm gonna let them boil for about another 15 minutes or so. Also, I feel like I'm on Alton Brown's Good Eats with this camera. This comes the tomato. On the top of the soft skin because it's like shiny. I usually like to flip it over and slice it and dice it just like you do with the other pieces of the tomato. Personally, I hate wasting food, so when you get to the end cap of the tomato like this, I usually just cut around the stem, like then it looks like that, and then I even cut around that so that basically nothing is left but this little guy. I have the green onions. You can leave them as is. When you're chopping, you always want to chop with your knuckles facing the knife, and then you want to keep the pinpoint down of the knife and really only move and mobilize the back of the knife. So kind of like this, create a single motion. And lastly is the cilantro. Go ahead and chop that up. Cilantro is highly debated in the culinary world. Not everybody likes cilantro, and people who love it really love it, and people who hate it really hate it. I'd love to know if you're somebody who hates it or loves it. I personally love it. I've read before that people who don't like cilantro have or are born with the gene that makes it taste like licorice to them or something really soapy. So interesting. Sample this. I'm gonna add the lentils into here. I'm gonna go the lemon juice, a bit of extra virgin olive oil, more like a lot, and then black pepper, and then salt. A dish. I never measure, but I can somehow eyeball it to be really exact. So I'm just go ahead and mix it up. Yum. 6-ingredient lentil salad, delicious and ready to be devoured.